In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook inbox view. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each setting does so your inbox looks and behaves the way you want. Whether you are on Outlook on the web, the new Outlook app, or Outlook Classic. Let's start with Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. Begin by clicking the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. This is your hub for display and layout preferences. From there, go to Mail, then Layout. In this section, you'll see options to tailor how your mail list and reading experience are organized. If you prefer a cleaner inbox that separates important messages from the rest, adjust Focused Inbox here. Turning it on splits your mail into Focused and Other. Turning it off keeps everything in a single list. Next, look at Message Organization. If you like seeing emails grouped as conversations, choose the Conversation option. If you prefer each message listed individually, switch to Individual Messages. Then, set up your reading pane. You can show it to the right, at the bottom, or turn it off to maximize list space. Finally, head back to Outlook and open the View menu. Under View, select Density to control spacing with Roomy, Cozy, or Compact. This is especially handy if you want more messages on screen or a bit more breathing room between items. Now, for Outlook Classic on Windows. Click the View tab at the top ribbon. In the current view group, select Change View, then pick a layout that fits your style. Compact is the familiar, space-efficient look. Single gives you one message per line with clear details. Preview shows a snippet of the email right in the list for quick scanning. To fine-tune the layout, stay on the View tab and choose Layout. Here, adjust the reading pane to the right, bottom, or off depending on how you prefer to preview messages. You can also set the folder pane to hidden or show to control how much navigation is visible. If you use Focused Inbox, you'll find a Show Focused Inbox button right on the View tab. Click it to turn the Focused and Other tabs on or off according to your workflow. As you experiment, give each change a moment so you can see how it affects your day. Today reading and triaging. A few small adjustments can make your inbox faster, clearer, and easier on the eyes. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly customized Outlook view.